Hello friends, if you are searching how to fix if your Instagram camera not working, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can fix the Instagram camera not working issue. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Force close Instagram app. Tap and hold the Instagram app icon on the home screen or search for it. Select the information icon from the menu that appears. Tap the force stop icon on the Instagram app info screen. Step 2. Reactivate the camera permissions for Instagram. First of all, long press on the Instagram app icon and select app info. On the app info screen, tap on permissions. On the app permissions, select camera. Next, on the camera permission, select either allow only while using the app or ask every time. You just need to ensure that the camera permission for the Instagram app is not set to don't allow. And restart your Instagram app. This will fix the issue. And you are done. By using this method, you can easily fix Instagram camera not working problem. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.